I spent 3 nights in Nusa Penida. This island is located right next to Bali. In this video, I will show you around the island, the best accommodations to stay, where to explore to see if this place is for you. Enjoy. We're at max speed right now. Penida is about a 10-minute swim away. We'll get there by boat in 1 hour. So these are the prices for entry to go to Penida. $56,000 for the bike and $31,700 for each person, local or not. It's the same price. And you need this card. If you don't have the card, it's $27,000 to buy the card. At our room, we're just waiting for it to get cleaned up and prepped for us. So we stopped at this little spot here to get some food. Panita Colada. So we finally checked in our room. We're at the Blue Harbor, coming at $550K per night. Beachfront, windows all the way around. Kitchen, bathroom area. Got the world's largest fort fan there. Simple shower. After we came in on the boat, we kind of drove around the area. We drove around the beach area where all the restaurants are at, and then we also checked out the mountainside that's along the coast, you know, towards the sunset area. We felt that the beach area where all the restaurants were at was the best area for the road conditions. And of course, amazing beach view area. Got the volcano mountain over there. Nice pool area. A little cafe over there. Walk down the steps here if you want to go on the beach. Sunset is that direction. And the sunrise is over there. Overall, the best view you can get. This place is awesome. Blue Harbor. So those are 4 beachfront rooms right there. 3 beachfront rooms there. And then back there's like 3 or 4 garden view rooms. This here would be the dining area. We made it here to Broken Beach. It's going to be our first stop on our second trip in Penida Island. Hoping to catch a good sunset for tonight before the long hour drive in the dark. Last time I was here is right around New Year's, which is a really big holiday time period. And this place was packed with daytime tour groups. Now it's near sunset time. The only people who are here are the ones that are staying here, and no one's going to drive an hour to watch the sunset on this side of the island. Usually a lot of people go to Crystal Bay, which which is also a really good spot to go. Short drive to go for sunset, and you get a pretty good view. But we just want to check this place out since we haven't seen a sunset here. Sunset's looking pretty good. Too bad I couldn't get the full effect of it. Full moon tonight. That means I got a drink. We're gonna go head back. There's supposed to be some live music tonight. I'll try to catch some of that later. Good sunset.
But you see, it's something, it's someone
I requested the most manly drink they had. That's what I got. That drink right there looks like a nice set of nipples. Sweet home Nusa Penida.
Every night you sit, I'll be watching. Can't you see? You belong.